Compliance risk. This is the risk nobody gets excited about. It's not dramatic, there's no hacker, no late night breach, but it's the one that can turn a bad day into a genuine crisis. So let's talk about it honestly. And I do mean honestly because there's a lot of hype in this space and I'd rather give you the real picture. Here's what's actually happening. The expectations around privacy and data are rising fast. Regulators are paying more attention, new privacy laws keep arriving, and it's not just regulators. Your customers, your employees, and your partners all expect you to handle personal data responsibly now. That used to be a nice to have. It's now becoming the baseline. So where does employee exposure fit into that? When your employees' personal information is scattered all over the internet and something goes wrong because of it, a targeted attack, an impersonation, a data incident, that's not just a security problem. It can become a legal problem and a reputational one. The fallout hits the trust you built with exactly the people you most need to trust you. And trust is the thing that's slowest to earn and fastest to lose. So reducing your employees' exposure is part of something bigger. It's part of a responsible, proactive approach to risk and governance. It says, we take the data tied to our people seriously, and we're getting ahead of the problem instead of cleaning up after it. Now, here's where I want to be really straight with you, because this is where a lot of companies oversell. Reducing your employees' exposure is not a compliance shortcut. Removing personal data from broker sites does not by itself tick a box on GDPR or CCPA or any specific regulation. Those obligations are about how your own company collects, stores, and handles data. That's a separate piece of work, and anyone who tells you removal service makes you compliant is overstating it. What this is, and what it genuinely does, is strengthen your overall risk posture. It's a signal of good governance. It reduces the chance that exposed employee data becomes the thing that triggers a legal or reputational mess in the first place. It supports your privacy program. It doesn't replace it. And here's why it connects to everything. These risks compound. Exposed employee data creates a cybersecurity opening. That opening can lead to an incident, and that incident is where the legal and reputational damage actually lands. So, the more proactive you are at the start, reducing what's exposed, the less likely you are to ever reach the part where regulators, lawyers, and headlines get involved. That's the real value here, not a magic compliance fix, a way to lower the odds that a privacy problem ever becomes a privacy crisis. If you're already thinking seriously about governance and risk, your employees' exposure belongs in that conversation. It's a quiet gap, and it's a smart, proactive place to be ahead of. That's the gap we help businesses close.